A facelift. What is it? You must have noticed, as you age, आपका face sag करता है. ये lines deepen करती हैं, jowls develop करते हैं, jawline की जो sharpness है, that is lost. This is not fixable by creams. Creams only fix the skin. Devices can tighten the skin slightly, but इसमें से कुछ भी tissue repositioning नहीं करता. A facelift, specifically a deep plane facelift, addresses this entire problem. We go in through an invisible incision around the ear. आपके ear के आसपास incision लगता है जो नहीं दिखता. And then tissues are repositioned to where they were initially. Skin को pull नहीं करते. It does not give that tight appearance. It gives a very natural, balanced and restored look.